Right guys, I think this is a woodpecker, and this is a baby one. We got a video of a big one before on the light post, and this one, I don't know, you can see I try to get close as I can be, so maybe you can see, but that's as close as I can get. And what they do on that maple, they make a hole, and when they make a hole, it's kind of juice, the dripping juice out of the wood, and they come back and lick that juice. See, you can go all the way around. Hey guys, I think this is a woodpecker. I don't know, you can see, I try to get close as I can, and not making scared. Can you imagine that? That's a baby woodpecker. That little tiny bird make them noise and got a beak sharp enough to make a house on the maple. What I do on that maple, when they finish make a little hole, is like a juice coming out of that maple, and they come back and I guess they leak the juice. But yeah, there was a woodpecker. It's more around here. You just can't get everyone. He move it to a different tree down here. And this tree is a Woodpecker tree. He working for and now he jumping to a different tree. That one was a sweet gum though. Well, he is right now. So I guess he goes around and tastes everyone. See which one is maple. And this is a baby. This is not a big bird, because the big ones, they look 2 times bigger than that. And you see more color on top of their head, more red. See, he goes round, round. Well, I'm going to show you a little bit on this maple. Oh. I guess they know when the tree started dying. I don't know, but right there, they're black. And right there where the drip stuff, where he make a hole. But he make a holes in there. But this is the one that he make a holes before. But normally do on the dead trees.